Question 1. What type of service is CloudFront? The correct answer is B, CDN. Question 2. What is an edge location? The correct answer is C, cache server location. Question 3. What is the origin in CloudFront? The correct answer is B, source of content. Question 4. Which protocol does CloudFront support? The correct answer is C, both HTTP and HTTPS. Question 5. What is a CloudFront distribution? The correct answer is B, configuration for content delivery. Question 6. How many edge locations does CloudFront have? The correct answer is D, 400 plus. Question 7. What is TTL in CloudFront? The correct answer is B, time to live. Question 8. Which origins can CloudFront use? The correct answer is C, S3, EC2, ELB, custom. Question 9. What is CloudFront away? The correct answer is A, origin access identity. Question 10. What is the purpose of invalidation? The correct answer is B, clear cached content. Question 11. Which SSL/TLS certificate can CloudFront use? The correct answer is C, both ACM and third party. Question 12. What is CloudFront signed URL? The correct answer is B, URL with access control. Question 13. What is Geo-Restriction? The correct answer is B, block/allow by country. Question 14. What is a cache behavior? The correct answer is B, routing rule for requests. Question 15. Which HTTP methods does CloudFront support? The correct answer is C, get, post, put, delete, etc. Question 16. What is CloudFront field level encryption? The correct answer is B, encrypt specific fields. Question 17. What is the default TTL value? The correct answer is C, 24 hours. Question 18. What is CloudFront Origin Shield? The correct answer is B, additional caching layer. Question 19. Which compression does CloudFront support? The correct answer is C, both zip and Brotli. Question 20. What is a price class? The correct answer is B, edge location selection. Question 21. What is CloudFront Functions? The correct answer is B, lightweight edge compute. Question 22. What is Lambda at edge? The correct answer is B, Lambda at edge locations. Question 23. Which viewer protocol policy is most secure? The correct answer is B, HTTPS only. Question 24. What is CloudFront signed cookie? The correct answer is B, access control for multiple files. Question 25. What is the maximum file size for CloudFront? The correct answer is C, 30 gigabytes. Question 26. What is a custom error page? The correct answer is B, user-defined error response. Question 27. Which logging does CloudFront support? The correct answer is C, both Access and CloudWatch. Question 28. What is CloudFront real-time logs? The correct answer is B, logs within seconds. Question 29. What is the purpose of cache key? The correct answer is B, identify cached objects. Question 30. Which headers can affect caching? The correct answer is C, selected headers. Question 31. What is CloudFront origin failover? The correct answer is B, secondary origin for HA. Question 32. What is the minimum TTL value? The correct answer is A, 0 seconds. Question 33. What is CloudFront distribution type? The correct answer is D, web only, RTMP deprecated. Question 34. What is query string forwarding? The correct answer is B, pass queries to origin. Question 35. What is CloudFront cache policy? The correct answer is B, define caching behavior. Question 36. What is origin request policy? The correct answer is B, control origin requests. Question 37. What is response headers policy? The correct answer is B, add/modify response headers. Question 38. Which CloudFront metric is in CloudWatch? The correct answer is C, requests, bytes, errors. Question 39. What is CloudFront continuous deployment? The correct answer is B, test config changes safely. Question 40. What is alternate domain name, CNAME? The correct answer is B, custom domain for distribution. Question 41. What is CloudFront origin connection timeout? The correct answer is B, 10 seconds. Question 42. What is CloudFront origin response timeout? The correct answer is B, 30 seconds. Question 43. What is CloudFront origin keep alive timeout? The correct answer is A, 5 seconds. Question 44. What is CloudFront origin protocol policy? The correct answer is D, all options. Question 45. What is CloudFront viewer certificate? The correct answer is B, SSL cert for custom domain. Question 46. What is CloudFront security policy? The correct answer is B, TLS/SSL version support. Question 47. What is CloudFront origin custom header? The correct answer is B, header sent to origin. Question 48. What is CloudFront origin path? The correct answer is B, prefix for origin requests. Question 49. What is CloudFront origin SSL protocol? The correct answer is C, multiple TLS versions. Question 50. What is CloudFront WAF integration? The correct answer is B, web application firewall. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.